Euro against US dollar this week has risen in value. What we can see, the price has bounced from 1.10755 on a Monday, and then the price returned back up, reaching the resistance level. For the next 4 days, the price could not make a bullish breakout above 1.11871, which is just representing that the price had reached a strong supply zone. This week the price formed in decision candle. We have a wick on the upper side, a wick on the lower side, and the price did not move too much based on the open and closed price. And the month has closed, and we can see that the previous month bullish breakout has been confirmed with this month closing as a bullish candle. We can see that the price is stopped at 1.11871, a monthly resistance line, which represents a strong supply zone, which means there are sellers that will prevent the price from reaching higher price levels. What usually this means, after this bullish breakout has been confirmed, usually continues the price to reach higher price levels. But in order to continue, we can see a strong resistance. A supply zone needs to be broken to the upside. Weekly time frame shows us indecision. Usually this means after the price formed this candle, after the strong bullish candle, usually means continuation of this movement. But for the next week is very important. We need to see, will the price make a strong bearish engulfing candle which will continue to fall down to the first support level, or it will form a bullish breakout above this 1.11871 on the weekly time frame, which will be just suggestion that the further rise in value will be expected. The daily time frame shows us much more clear information, and we can see that 1.11871 is very important to resist level for the price that could not make a breakout for several days. In the last 4 days it was another attempt, but before that we can see at 3 days the price tried to make a bullish breakout. So this we can see that it is very important resistance level. What I can see also is that the price is making higher lows, which means the bulls who are here pushing the price up are much stronger in this area than the sellers, but here are the sellers much more stronger. So we need to see where the price will move. Will the price make a bullish breakout above, or it will stay a while for here? So for the next step, I'm waiting for the price to make a bullish breakout above here or return back down below this one. So this means waiting for the breakout to the upside or to the downside. Just remember, I have a free PDF that will share the details about the strategy I'm using with the supply and demand zones, and also support and resistance levels, and how to trade on the Forex market. Feel free to check that. The PDF is free, so you can also get it on your email. The link will be below. This is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.